So we're going to change the battery on a Mercedes key. So to start off with, there's a little tab here to get the actual key part of it out. So pull that back and then pull the key out. And then use that key on that side of the actual main key. And then it should pop this out if you push it in. And then you can see where it's popped it out. And then the cover comes off and the battery's here. Then get a small screwdriver and then put it in, and then you can take the battery out. Then get your new battery, put it so the plus side is at the top. It says CR2025 battery. Push it in, and then put this side in first. Just slide that in, and then push down, and then just put the key back into the position it should be in. And that's it. Now you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.